Hi Kickstarter, we're here to offer you real electronic privacy in the form of a personal use Faraday box. You can see we have no active service while inside the box. That includes Wi-Fi, cellular, and the GPS is simply showing us our last known location, but it's not currently able to locate us, and you can tell because there are no outward going blue rings. Now let's see what happens when we open the box. You can see that all service is instantly restored with a strong 3G connection showing up at the top. The GPS has found us again, and we will have to actually access a web page for the Wi-Fi to kick in. Imagine how nice this would be in a classroom setting, or doctor's office, or business meeting, where you don't want any interruptions and people can wait until after it's done in order to receive their messages. While the rewards for this project are built around the Faraday box itself, successful funding of this project will lead to additional new consumer goods that all have the same function as the Faraday box. So what is a Faraday box, you may ask? Well, it's a concept in electrical engineering where a completely sealed metal enclosure will not allow electromagnetic emanations in or out of that enclosure. And that's exactly what we're utilizing here in this design. There can be no way for any sort of tracking or communication of any kind to occur with your phone while it's in this box. We put a lot of thought into this design, and we built a number of test articles with different shapes and configurations, including a screen mesh sided box and a solid metal sided box. When this Kickstarter is funded, you can be assured that the product you get will be the best we can possibly produce, from both the aesthetic and engineering point of view. However, the beauty of this product is that all of your other functions work normally. So you never have to worry about forgetting to take your phone off of silent mode or taking it out of airplane mode again out of the box, and your phone will automatically reconnect to the cellular network, any Bluetooth devices, GPS, Wi-Fi, whatever you were previously connected to. While you're in the box, you do still get all of your normal functionality. If you've set timers and alarms, your timer will still go off, audibly alarm, wake you up, do everything it's supposed to do. So you're still using all the functionality of your phone. Even though the concept of a Faraday cage is simple, the execution of creating a consumer product that's a Faraday cage is not nearly as simple. I have both a bachelor's and master's in electrical engineering and about 10 years of experience in electromagnetic compatibility and electromagnetic interference. You still don't have to take my word for it. You can see this working through the top of the box, and you can see all the communications with your phone drop off. Now, if you're somebody out there that wants to have EMP hardened backup supplies, maybe a radio or something that you want to keep around, you want to have something professionally designed. This will give you some confidence in what you're storing if you need it to be there ready in an emergency. There are a lot of possibilities, but none of them will happen without your support.